Well, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to Plaka, which is a place in Athens, and I'm going to be showing you the district, how it looks like. It's one of the old historical places next to Acropolis. So stick till the very end to see how the road and how the construction is done at that place. All the stuff over here are quite affordable, but I can't carry a lot of stuff because I'm going by plane and there is a baggage limit. Unfortunately, not gonna buy a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna come again to Greece just to buy some amazing, interesting stuffs. stopped at amazing Greek restaurant. I had amazing seafood. Oh my god, I am in love with it. You guys should check this cave of Acropolis out. It's a very nice restaurant on the hilltop, and the food is quite yummy, and the price is like really affordable. I just paid 20 euros for everything in a really posh restaurant. So Athens is kind of cheap. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys, and make sure that you check this place out. It has amazing offers and amazing shops. You won't be disappointed. So see you soon with another video with another concept. Bye.